Hey guys, Vincent here from Card & Cloud. I'm here today to show you the new Scan Move functionality. So I'm going to begin by showing you a basic move in which we're going to shift this pallet from this location up here, PB030201, down to this location here, which is PB030101. So the first thing that I do is on the Scan Move screen, I've got it loaded up and I literally just come along and I scan the barcode for the location that I want to move the stock from. And so it pops up, it pre-fills with the information on what's on that pallet. So 750 ml insulated drink bottles in red, 135 units, sounds fantastic. Now to move this down to the location below, I simply scan the other barcode. So in this case, I'm going to scan PB030101. What this does now is it shows me the location it's going to move it to, and this is a confirmation step, so I can check, yes, I have scanned the correct label, I haven't made a mistake. From here, I can either press the move button on the screen, and that will move the stock, or I can scan the location label again as a confirmation. And when I do that, the stock is moved. In the system, it's now been shifted from this location down onto the floor, and the stock will be available for picking from here.